Hello guys, welcome to Geo Automotive. This is Gaurav Advani and today we are here in front of the newly launched 2021 MG Hector. What are the features added? What are the changes made in the car? And is it a good option between a budget bracket of 13 to 20 lakhs? We'll talk about in the video. By the time to like, share, subscribe the channel and get notified for all my upcoming videos. So now let us get into the video and find about all the changes. Let's start off with the front of the car. Front में से मिलते हैं LED DRLs which double up as your turn indicators too. Underneath, two LED projector headlamps and a LED fog lamp. That too with chrome surround. The major change that has come in the exterior is the all new front grille which looks more appealing and attractive than the previous model. You also get a massive MG logo in between with front camera of 360-degree camera. Underneath, you now get a newly designed bumper with silver finished kit plates. You also get features like front parking sensors. Now take a wider view at the front end of the car. Moving on to the side profile, it now gets 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels instead of the 17 on the previous model with a tire profile of 215/55R18. Talking about ORVMs are body colored with turn indicators and chrome garnish all over the windows. Talking about door handles, you get request sensor on both driver and co-driver side with chrome garnish. Now take a wider view at the side angle of the MG Hector. You also get silver finished roof rails with a huge panoramic sunroof and a shark fin antenna. You also get 4 disc brakes, that's again a good feature. Moving on to the rear side of the car. First take a wider view. Rear side से ज़्यादा changes नहीं आए हैं इस नए मॉडल में. You get the same LED tail lights with badging of Hector. Get a massive MG logo in between with a chrome strip connecting both the tail lights. Badging of internet inside. You also get a reflector running across the bumper. And in terms of safety, you get 4 reverse parking sensors. Talking about other features, it gets rear wiper, rear defogger and shark fin antenna. You also get a reverse parking camera here. Talking about the boot, it gets electric tailgate, which means you just have to press the button and the tailgate automatically opens up. It has the segment's best 587 liters of boot space. As you can see, it is very large and more than sufficient. It also gets LED boot lamp. And as it is an electric tailgate, you just have to press the button and the tailgate automatically closes down. So let us first open the driver's side door. Door पे आपको controls मिलते हैं for all the 4 power windows with auto up and down feature only on the driver's side. Child lock के buttons. Silver finish में interior door handles. Grab handle with some internal storage. 1 liter bottle रखने की capacity and also ambient lighting is provided on the door. In terms of convenience, you get both driver and co-driver seats electronically adjustable. Now let us get into the driver's seat and find out कि previous model से इस model में क्या क्या features change होते हैं and are the changes significant all over the interior. Let us first start the car. The push start stop button is placed here. Take a look at the instrument cluster of the car. Instrument cluster में previous model से कोई भी change नहीं आता. It is the same as the previous one. Left side पे speedometer, right side पे tachometer and MID in between showing warning signals and range of the car. It is overall very informative and useful. Talking of other elements, on the right side AC vents with controls for electronically adjustable ORVMs, headlight leveler increasing or decreasing the brightness and also options for electric tailgate. You get tweeter placed here with infinity badging. Talking about steering wheel, आपको leather wrapped steering wheel मिलता है इस variant में with also cruise controls on the right side and music system controls with voice command, MG का logo, horn pad and chrome finish on the steering wheel. Talking about the changes in the infotainment system, the assistant is now capable of understanding both Hindi and English languages, that is Hindi प्लस इंग्लिश इक्वल्स टू इंग्लिश. फॉर द कस्टमर्स जो असिस्टेंट के साथ हिंदी में इंटरेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, दैट्स अगेन अ गुड कन्वीनियंस फीचर. यू गेट कंट्रोल्स फॉर हैजार्ड लाइट and also defoggers, and if you want to switch off the infotainment system, and controls for volume, traction control, AC vents on both the sides. You get glove box here, it is neither cooled nor illuminated. You get ambient lighting on the door which looks beautiful. The second major change is the wireless charging pad. You get manual gearbox, dual cup holders with ambient lighting inside them, options for 360 degree camera. Let me show you. जो क्वालिटी है 360 डिग्री कैमरा की, इट इज़ ऑल ओवर डिसेंट इनफ. इट इज़ नॉट दैट एक्सलेंट, बट या इट्स अ गुड फीचर टू हैव इन योर कार. एंड कंट्रोल्स फॉर फ्रंट पार्किंग सेंसर्स, मैनुअल हैंड ब्रेक, armrest for passengers with some deep storage. It also gets a charging port inside it. Talking about the major change that has come, it now gets a dual tone option with black and beige, जिससे जो इंटीरियर है वो काफ़ी रूमी और एरी लगते हैं. जो ब्लैक कलर था वो इंटीरियर को काफ़ी डल बना देता था, बट इंट्रोड्यूसिंग बेज कलर हैज़ increased a lot. You also get ventilated seats with a charging port here, and the second port is provided just beside the wireless charging pad. And for the driver's side, ventilated seats के option यहाँ provide किए गए हैं. Other options, you now get auto dimming IRVM जो previous model में missing था and many people were complaining about it. You also get sunglass holder, lights for both the front passengers, and also controls for sunroof. Let me show you the panoramic sunroof. The panoramic sunroof is huge and opens wide. Let me show you. Now let's close the panoramic sunroof. Now take a wider view at the dashboard of the. Now let us get into the second row seats. Talking about the knee room first, my height is 6'2" और आगे की सीट मेरी हाइट से एडजस्टेड है. And as you can see, knee room is more than sufficient. And same applies to the leg room. You also get rear AC vents for the second row seat passengers with a 12-volt charger and some space beneath. Talking about other basic features, you get grab handles on both the sides with coat hook and LED lights placed on each side. You get this huge panoramic sunroof which looks beautiful. In terms of convenience, you get 3 adjustable headrests, and in terms of comfort, you get the center armrest with an option of dual cup holders. When you have a look at the boot of the car, it is the biggest offered in this segment and looks quite large. In terms of safety, it gets 6 airbags, ABS, EBD, BA, ESP and traction control. So this was all about the second row seats. So this was all about the 2021 MG Hector. Prices start from 12,89,000 and go till 19,12,000. Variants wise pricing are now being displayed on your screen. Comment down your thoughts on the car and changes made in it. So this was all about the video. Do like, share, subscribe the channel and get notified for all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.